Hey guys, today I'm gonna be continuing my search for that perfect foundation, and today I'm gonna be doing it on the Bareminerals Pro. Alright, in conjunction with that, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to also do a makeup look using the Juvias palette, which is back there, which I put it back there because it's so cute. So I hope you enjoyed this and stay tuned, and please watch to the end and subscribe, please, like now, thank you. And let's get into the video. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. And this is like a really moisturizing primer. Okay. If you notice, I didn't put any on my nose because I'm mad greasy, like on the tip of my nose. So I'm gonna just dab whatever's left over on my hands on my nose. But on my nose, the primer that I'm gonna be putting is the Becca Everyday Matte Poreless Mattifying primer, which is a really good primer for mattifying. I'm just gonna put that on my nose. So I can just matte that out. I'm also going to add a little bit on my forehead. And you tap that on. You don't really want to rub this on because it won't work. That's good. Why do I keep putting it up there? And then on my chin a little bit. And this is just for extra coverage and stuff on those areas. Like, I know you can probably see like a little white residue. That's fine because it's going to get covered up anyway. It says flawless to medium full coverage, lasts all day, creamy blendable texture for luxurious comfort, stay true mineral pigments, designed for all skin tones, oil free, non-comedogenic. So this foundation, I can tell that it's not going to dry down. I don't think it does. I don't know. Let's see. I just feel like with this foundation, I put a test wash on my hand, and I feel like I'm going to be super dry. I mean, super oily at the end of the day with that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder, and I'm using the Mercier regular translucent powder. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Still. Okay, I can't do this with this brush. I don't even know why I'm using that brush. I'm going to use this little small powder looking brush thing and just do a small wisp of it all over my face. Just putting a little bit, a little layer. It don't got to be no crazy thick layer. What I'm going to do is take the Bareminerals foundation, shake it up. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. makeup sponge for this one. Yes, it's a little dirty. Okay. And I'm just going to put this all over my face. This color is in hazelnut 25. So that's the color tone of this. And I'm gonna do I'm trying to do a full coverage face today. Usually I don't really like full coverage. Like, too full coverage is not my cup of tea too much. Now what I'm gonna do is take the I damp the sponge, and I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm just gonna blend everything out. Oh my god. I'm out here looking like, oh god, this is really light. Okay, so for where I am, the color looks okay. So I'm just gonna add like a couple more pumps. I just feel like I need it. I'm gonna blend it out with the brush real quick. I'm just gonna, this is just like one of my favorite brushes. This is the e.l.f. foundation blurring brush. I'm just gonna use that to blend the mess out of this. Like, I have so much studying to do today. Like, I don't know, y'all probably don't know, but I am in nursing school. And, like, I have so much studying to do after this video. But I just wanted to do this video. I have thought about doing videos on my nursing school experience and just tips and tricks and stuff that I've learned throughout the process. So let me know if you want to see that down below. Barely ever used, but I'm going to use it today. And I'm thinking I'm going to go in with maybe this color, this color. I'm going to do something warm. So now I'm going to get back to the point of the video. The point of the video was for the foundation. So usually I use my so now I put the foundation on. It sat a little bit. It does look kind of orange on camera to me, but that can be just from the point that I'm looking at the camera. It could just look a little orange. So, but in person it looks fine. It actually dries down really okay. It dries down pretty matte. That could be because I put the powder. I don't know. It just dries down pretty matte. So usually I use my Nars Creamy Radiance concealers, but for some reason today I'm just going to give those a break. And I'm going to use my Nars Shape Tape. I might still need to go in with, I might still have to go in with my Creamy Radiance because the Shape Tape is actually pretty close to my skin tone, under eye, anything. The Shape Tape is cool. What I don't like about the Shape Tape, that the smell of it, I don't like that smell, and I wish that the shade is the Nars Creamy Radiance in Carmel. Sometimes I'll go with Amande. Usually I go with Amande first, then Carmel, but today I went in with the Shape Tape, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm on to contour, if I can find my contour stick, because I don't know where I put it. So I'm going to take the Sephora contour stick and just contour my face pretty much, so I don't be looking like I got 6 chins and all of that. You know, just get rid of the chin a little bit. You know, just say goodbye to the chins. All my chins, all 4 of them for the video. Now this Sephora contour stick is alright. I haven't tried much contour sticks. I usually use a powder, so it's alright. It's kind of dry. It doesn't, you know, nothing shouts out to me about that is amazing. Because I need to look snatched. Now I'm just going to blend out under my eyes. And get up in the corners. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my powder. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural Powder. Just gives me back a little bit of color that the concealer took away. I'm going to come back in a few hours. I have to study and things like that. I'm not really going anywhere outside today. I'm going to be in the house doing, you know, things that need to be done. Cleaning, studying, all that good stuff. Eating and more eating. So I'm going to go and do that. I'm going to come back in a few hours and we're just going to review how the face looks after freaking 8 hours or so. And this is what my face is looking like. So alright, so since I last came on, I did not touch up at all. I didn't go anywhere crazy. I stayed in the house. So this is what I'm looking like. I did get a little bit oily, but it's not that bad. I can actually deal with this. I can really deal with this. I'm happy with this actually. So I can tell that because I did put that primer on my nose, I got a little oily right here, but if I didn't put the Becca matte primer on my nose, I would have been a whole lot more oily in my nose and in my T-zone area. So that's great. And then I also put the powder before the foundation, so I feel like that may have helped to absorb some oil. But I really like this foundation. At first when I was putting it on, I had said that I felt like it looked kind of light for my skin, but I feel like because I'm looking at it like in the viewfinder that I may look like that, but when it sets, it really sets really nice. So yes, overall I really enjoy this foundation. It's definitely going to be on my desk as one of my permanent everyday foundations. I think it wears really nice, and I think the finish is super nice, and I feel like it lasts long enough without making me super oily at the end of the day. So until next time, I see you guys. Bye. 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 Like bye. Bye. Cute.